Hey everyone, so in this video I'm just going to teach you how to create something simple like this. It's using trim paths, a little lettering. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is create a new composition. I'm just going to create a new project. That's fine, don't save that one. And we're going to do it, I'm going to just name it trim, and over here I've got my 1920 by 1080 and 30 frames per second. Duration, that's fine for now at 10 seconds. You can adjust it as you go along, and hit OK. Alright, so first thing we want to do, you want to go up to your type tool just on the top here and type in the word that you want. So for me, I'll just do anything. And click back to the selection tool. Okay, so now I just want to center it. You just want to go to a line, which you can just find just in the menu over here. And while we're at it, just open your character panel just over there. Okay, so I've got my character panel at the top and my line window just at the bottom. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to swap these about because your typing is possibly like that. There's nothing to worry about. We're going to change it to strokes in a minute. And you can see here your anchor point. If you want it centered, just go up to the little pan behind button over there, hold Control and double click it, and it will move it to the center. There are a few ways of doing it. That's just one way. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to create a stroke and you don't want the fill. So just click on the swap button there. Make sure the outline is there and there's nothing in the center. Next thing you want to do to create the trim path, you want to right click and create shapes from text. And you can see there it's created a shape. It's unhidden the text layer and it's created a shape layer for you. Okay, next thing we want to do, just click on the little arrow just over there and click add and then head up to trim paths. Okay, it's all come up here. Every single letter is separate, so don't worry about that. Okay, so just go to your trim paths. You can just see it here. We've just created that. Click the arrow and you'll go down. Okay, so you can see here's your timeline and there's your word, anything. Let's just move that to 0 and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. And you can see there it's still unhighlighted. Go to 2 seconds or whatever number you want to and increase it to 100. And let me deselect that so you can see there it's busy doing that. How cool. Okay, so what you want to do, just highlight both of the keyframes, push F9 for easy ease and click on the graph. So this graph describes how fast or slow it's going to go. I think it was a good speed, but we can speed it up just a little bit like that. So you can see here it starts slowly, goes fast, and then goes slow. Let me show you on the writing itself. And go. There we go. So you can see it starts slow, goes faster, and then slows down again. Okay, well that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, enable the notifications. Please leave the comments down below just to let me know how I'm getting on and if there's anything else specific that you want to see. Thank you very much.